Get the box.
ब्रह्मा दीपज्योति जनार्दन दीपो हरतु पापं संध्यादीपं नमोस्तुते या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला दण्ड मंडितकरा या श्वेतभुजा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतवन्दिता जानता देवा भवे संजाना उपासना हृदयानि समानमस्तु ॐ मनो यथावति। Thank you so much.
Thank you, Yamne.
Never let us forget that we are all thy children, notwithstanding the different who often need help. Whenever or wherever the need for service arises, ensuring that we have not lived in vain. Thank you.
Of Indore and members of her executive committee, our incoming president Mrs. Sulakshana and members of our executive committee, dear Innovate sisters and friends, good evening and a very warm welcome to all of you. It is my great honor and privilege to welcome each one of you to this beautiful installation memorable occasion. As one chapter closes, another begins with fresh dreams, renewed enthusiasm and a greater commitment to serve. Standing before you today as the immediate past president fills my heart with gratitude. Serving this wonderful club has been one of the greatest honor of my life. The love, trust, encouragement and friendship I received from every member made my journey truly meaningful. I sincerely thank my executive committee and every member of our club, our district leadership and everyone who supported me throughout my tenure. Today we gather not only to install a new president and executive committee, but also to celebrate the enduring spirit of Innovate, friendship, service and international understanding. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a heartfelt welcome to our esteemed district chairman, Mrs. Anupama Subedar. Ma'am, your inspiring leadership and unwavering dedication continue to motivate us to serve society with compassion and commitment. We are truly honored by your gracious presence. A warm welcome to Dr. Manasa, President of the Innovate Club of Indore and members of her executive committee. Your presence is to serve together. My heartfelt congratulations and best wishes to our incoming president, Mrs. Sulakshana and her executive committee. Dear Sulakshana, today you accept not just an office, but a noble responsibility. I am confident that with your vision, dedication and enthusiasm, our club will continue to flourish and reach greater heights. Please know that as your immediate past president, Jai Innavi.
Dedicated Secretary Kalpana Shetty to kindly come forward and present the club report.
And service becomes our signature. Respected District Chairman, dignitaries, good evening. I am Kalpana Shetty. It is my great privilege to present the Secretary Project Report of the Innerville Club of Nizamabad for the year 2025-26. Our journey began with a strong focus on environmental responsibility through our plantation drive, plants and seed distribution, promotion of cloth bags, and eco-friendly Ganesh idols, instilling sustainable habits within school and the community. In the area of health and wellness, we conducted a maternal and child care program, a mega health camp offering free medical checkups. We actively supported education and youth development by providing school fee assistance. We distributed nutritious food to 500 underprivileged families, helping them with the healthy meals and support. To encourage support among school children, we donated cricket bats to students. On Teachers' Day, we honored dedicated teachers with mementos and encouraged students through token distribution. We celebrated Batkama and Dandiya Garba in collaboration with the Innerville Club of Indore. On Installation Day, we celebrated Friendship Day, Women's Day, Innerville Day, also distributed Innerville Club logo paints as part of branding. As part of our community umbrellas to street vendors to support their daily work. During Diwali, we celebrated with the children at Manata Southern Orphanage, sharing sweet snacks and happiness. We also distributed school bags to support their education.
Innerville Club of Nizamabad President Akla Rama Garu, Secretary Kalpana Shetty Garu, and all my dear Innerville friends, I warmly welcome you all to the beautiful evening for the installation ceremony for the year 2026 and 2027. It's a privilege and an honor to serve as President of our Innerville Club of India. Our journey throughout the year has been guided by the enduring values of friendship, service, and international understanding which come others. Whether through healthcare, education, environmental conservation, women empowerment, and community welfare, our members have demonstrated compassion, dedication, and an unwavering spirit of service. Each and every activity has strengthened not only our bond with the community, but also the friendship and fellowship that define Innerville. I am deeply grateful to every member of our club, our senior club, and for their enthusiasm, generosity, and helping us in doing all the teamwork. Your willingness to serve with sincerity and kindness has made our collective effort. Volunteers, supporters, and well-wishers whose encouragement has been invaluable throughout the year. As we continue our journey, let us remain united in our purpose, embrace new opportunities to serve, and strive to create a lasting positive impact on society. Together, we can end a beautiful journey and looking forward to many more years of friendship, service, and meaningful achievements.
Thank you, Manasari. I know it.
Respected Association President, District Chairman, past Association Presidents. So, thank you. This gives me encouragement. 4th of July 2025 with honoring the healers, where we felicitated two distinguished doctors on the eve of Doctors' Day in appreciation of their dedicated service, compassion, and commitment to the healthcare. Later, we also conducted a cancer screening screening program where it was we labeled each of the project with different headings like patient comfort and wellness support, where we distributed fresh fruits and drinking waters overall with 100 beneficiaries, ensuring comfort and care for the patients and attendees. On 6th August 2025, we celebrated building bonds, creative memories, bringing together 50 Innovale members to strengthen friendship, teamwork, unity, and creating lasting memories. On 6th of August, we conducted a Plastic-Free Today, Sustainable Tomorrow, spreading awareness about 50 beneficiaries about reducing single uses of plastic and encouraging them to use eco-friendly alternatives. On 20th of August, to hands that heal, hearts that care, we conducted a health awareness and medical checkup program and for approximately 200 children. On continue of this, we also did like green devotion and sustainable celebrations. Continuing that, we supported a young sporting person badminton where we honored him, that child with the sports equipment. Later, we also celebrated the floral festival of Telangana's Pride Batukama. We also conducted the Canvas of Culture, the Colors of Tradition, a Rangoli competition at government school students, encouraging each of them and getting out their creativity, and also we've given awards to their performance. And Orange the World, where we created an awareness on violence against the women and girls that must end, and that was a flash mob led by Kalpana Garu. And throughout the year, every project reflected the true spirit of Innervale. And I heartily extend my gratitude to our association president, district chairman, club president, office bearers, members, sponsors, volunteers who are always supporting to us with their unwavering support. And let us continue to serve with compassion, empower our communities, preserve our traditions, and build a brighter future, and give our future generations a valuable life together. Thank you.
Thank you, Shamali. Awards and recognize the members for their valuable contribution in the year 2025-26.
Without them, we are not.
सम्मान, समर्पण और सेवा का है जिनका सफर।
To come forward in place of Umar Rani, in place of Sirisha, in place of.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.
ज़्यादा अटेंड करनी चाहिए, नेक्स्ट ईयर देखेंगे फिर अभी।
We need the highest. एक आए तो मैं
Past President Jayashri Akka. Next.
Ready,
Choice Editor Prasanna Garu.
$63 members ने फीस पे किया है सिर्फ 12 days में, और 1 day में मतलब 6 को जो प्रोजेक्ट था उसमें 37 members ने पे किया है कैश। तो सभी को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस और थैंक यू मुझे सपोर्ट करने के लिए। तो जैसे मैंने वादा किया था कि लकी डिप निकालूंगी, First number
Number.
Double number. 2 to 22.
Next. क्या रखा था ना नंबर जाएगा ना ठीक है वो बाकी सभी लोगों को थैंक यू जिसने दिल जल्दी
Second prize, Maha.
और उसके बाद हम एक और संस्था से जुड़े हुए हैं, नारायण की संस्था, जिसमें सुलक्षणा बहुत एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट करती हैं और तब से वो मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब आ गई है। जब मुझे ये मौका मिला कि आज उसकी जीवनी पढ़ना है तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि मुझे ये मौका मिल रहा है। सुलक्षणा के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहूँगी कि एक बहुत ही मुस्कुरा के जवाब देती है एंड शी इज़ जस्ट अडोरेबल। Sulakshana was born on 20th September 1979 to Sri Mukha Devendra Gupta, former municipal chairman of sports. In her intermediate education, she served as the joint secretary of JCI Club, demonstrating her leadership and participated in several stage performances as well as radio programs. Mrs. Sulakshana completed her Bachelor of Law, that is LLB, from Pendakanti Law College, Hyderabad. On 12th man associated with Sujata Enterprises. Together they is an accomplished architect and their younger daughter Sahasra is currently pursuing her studies in the 12th standard. Mrs. Sulakshana life is a wonderful example of balancing personal all the guests. Please give a big round of applause to welcome Mrs. Sulakshana as our incoming President of Innovative Club of Nizamabad 2026-27.
Organized and enthusiastic member who is always ready to serve with sincerity and commitment. Her attention to detail, teamwork and passion for Innerville make her well settled for this important responsibility. So I request past President Manisha Joshi.
A very positive vibes from her. I wish her good luck for her tenure. Prasanna Mukha is a dedicated social worker and an active member of the Innerville Club. She holds a Master of Science, that is MSc, in Mathematics from Kakatiya University campus. She is the daughter of Mr. Lakshmi Kantam and Mrs. Kalavati. She is married to Mr. Mukha Vishwabandhu and they are blessed with 2 children. Aurobindo, born on 6th May 2003 and Pauni, born on 22nd September 2006. She served as a correspondent at SMAC Vidyaniketan Prasanna. Prasanna Mukha joined the Innerville Club in 2018. She has served the club as editor twice in 2020 and 2025. In recognition of her outstanding service, she received the Best Editor Award in 2021 and 2026. Twice she got the Best Editor Award in Innerville Club. Her commitment to community service began even before joining the Innerville Club. She served as the founder secretary of Vasavi Vanita Club in 2000, where she was honored with the Best Secretary Award for her leadership and dedicated service. And coming to her hobbies are singing bhajans and gardening. She is known for her sincerity, leadership and unwavering commitment to friendship and community service, reflecting the true spirit of the Innerville. Welcome to Innerville Club and welcome to the secretary club actually, and I wish all the best of luck for your coming tenure, and we all support you, Prasanna and Sulakshana. We are always there for you. Thank you so much.
Kalpana Chenchetti, Joint Secretary Muda Sirisha, Treasurer Vaishali Subedar, ISO Rupali Mittal, Editor Sakshi Bansal, Executive Committee Member, Past President Jayashri, Jaya Jagdish, Kavita Agarwal, Dr. Bhagya, Padma Kotagiri, Lalita Pandey, dignitaries on the dais, respected PDCs, past presidents, Rotarians, members of the press, my you all. Today, I stand before you with immense gratitude and humility as I take on the responsibility of serving as a president of our club. I sincerely thank each one of you placing your trust and confidence in me. It is an honor that I accept with dedication and promise to serve with sincerity. Our theme for this year is Grow and Flourish. Grow is not just about becoming bigger, it is about becoming better. When we nurture compassion, friendship and service, we flourish not only as individuals but as a club and as a community. This year, our focus will be on the girl child, women empowerment and the well-being of senior citizens. When we educate a girl, we build a bright future. When we empower a woman, we strengthen a family, a community and ultimately our nation. Through skill development, health awareness, education and support, we can help women become confident, independent and capable of achieving their dreams. At the same time, we must honor and care our senior citizens whose wisdom and experience continue to guide us. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Let us plant the seeds of hope, nurture them with love. Watch our club grow and flourish throughout the year. I seek your blessings, guidance and wholehearted support as we begin this beautiful journey together. Thank you. Let us make this a memorable year for friendship, service and growth. Thank you one and all.
Of our new member, Dr. Padmavati Garu. I request Dr. Padmavati
Women's College, Kottagudem, and done her Bachelor's of Homeopathy, Medicine and Surgery at Nagpur in the year 1994. Married in the year of 1995 and blessed with a baby girl child in the year 1997. She has practiced under a gynecologist at Pragati Hospital for 1 year in the year 1995 to 1996 in Khalilwadi besides Punjab National Bank. By the name of Gautami, welcome together to a warm, gentle personality, Dr. Padmavati Garu, who successfully balances her family responsibilities with her professional and social commitments. Aarti holds master degree in with her husband's tax consultancy firm, where she contributes to various administrative and professional activities. A socially active individual, she is also a member of Maheshwari Mahila Mandal. Aarti has been actively involved in various community services initiatives. She believes in giving back to society and actively participates in programs related to education, health, women empowerment and community welfare. Apart from her professional and social engagements, Aarti is passionate about sports and fitness. She enjoys playing cricket and badminton. She has received various awards and recognitions also. She received gold medal in MBA for securing the top rank in her college. She received winner's trophy in cricket, women's cricket in year 2025, awarded by Nizamabad Jilla Maheshwari Yuva Sanghatan, and she was the captain of the winning team as well. Aarti is known for her sincerity, leadership, positive attitude and commitment to excellence. She continues to inspire others through her dedication for her family in our club. Welcome, Aarti. Who have achieved remarkable journeys in their social life. So Aarti, again, Radhika, this is for her husband's practice as a tax consultant. After embracing motherhood, she took a career break to focus on her family and children. She is now a certified yoga trainer and the founder of Nitya Yoga. She runs her own yoga institute by the name of Nitya Yoga, dedicated to promoting health, wellness and holistic living through yoga. She is married to CA Rotarian Shrikantji Jawar, President of Rotary Club of Nizamabad for the Rotary year 2026 and 27. They are blessed with 2 children named Vihan, 8 years old and Nitya, 4 years old. Her interest includes gardening, organic composting, yoga, reading, spirituality and community services. She is passionate about promoting health awareness, environment conservation and social well-being through meaningful initiatives. She is honored to become a member of Innerville family and looks forward to serving society with dedication, compassion and enthusiasm while upholding the values of friendship and service. Welcome, Radhika.
We are sure you welcome the responsibility that you will enjoy being a member of a truly international organization and take a full and active part in all that this club offers.
Please silent.
We do hope that you will feel you are among friends and enjoy participating in all aspects of Innerville. The President will call upon and you have to say on behalf Padmavati, Aarti and Vandana, Radhika, sorry. On behalf of the members of Innerville Club of Nizamabad, welcome you and address the club. I introduce this new member to you and ask you to extend your friendship to her. Come on, tell the names of the...
Aarti Jawar, Radhika Jawar.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to our Innerville family.
We recognize the presence of Dr. Ramesh Garu, Manasa President, So I request past President Sakshi to welcome with a small token of love. We recognize the presence to welcome with a small token of love.
I'm President, and it's an absolute honor for me to introduce the brilliant and dedicated Dr. Mansa. She is the daughter of respected Deputy Collector, Mr. Manuma. Dr. Mansa grew up with a strong foundation of discipline and service, followed by Chaitanya Junior College. Driven by her passion for healthcare, she completed her MBBS from of Medical Sciences. Today, she successfully runs Manasa Skin Clinic, where she spent the last 8 years providing compassionate, patient-centered care and building an exceptional clinical reputation. On a personal note, Dr. Mansa is happily married to Dr. Ramesh and they are proud parents of 2 children, the 2 boys. She is parent of 6-year-old son and 3-year-old daughter. Balancing a beautiful family with thriving medical practice, Dr. Mansa stands a true inspiration for women in medicine. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Mansa. Thank you. It's my pleasure to introduce her as a club secretary for 2022 Science. She currently works as a business analyst in EPAM Systems, bringing with her 8 years of experience, invaluable international experience in the US, where she worked for institutions like Bank of America and Wells Fargo. Beyond her impressive cooperative background, Uma is a trained classical dancer since her childhood, an avid traveler and a passionate homemaker. Her grace and talent gave her well-deserved recognition, including she was crowned as a Miss College during her graduation and Miss Maharani at a prominent cultural talent show in North Carolina, USA. On personal front, Uma is a daughter-in-law of Muda Vani Garu, and she is married to Sai Rahul Muda, a successful entrepreneur and a proud mother of 2 young boys, Taran and Tanay. With her sharp organizational skills, public speaking talents, and deep passion for women empowerment, health, and education, we are incredibly. Thank you.
Of Rotarian Raj Subedar Garu, I request past President Jayashree to welcome with a small token of love.
Firstly, I call upon my editor, Shamili, my ISO past President, Vaishali, and all other executive members, Rekha, Nandini Gilda, Dr. Precious, all the year, like last year, to do more projects, and I always accept to grow our club like our seniors do. Thank you.
I request Sandhya
Jayashree to welcome with a small token of love. We recognize the presence of
everyone. Please take your seat.
Transform lives. Together we have the opportunity not only to reach those in need, but also in this journey with you. I cherish the accomplishments of the past year while looking